Alright, good morning, people. It's currently April 1st, April Fools. And yeah, it's Tuesday. We're looking at JC once again. Playing this safe. We don't want what happened yesterday to happen again. Okay, what the hell was that? The market is choppy right now. Can't say I love it.
Order filled.
Whoa.
Order filled.
Oh my god, bro. Damn, this market is a nightmare today. Hopping in a buy. Choppy day. It robs me. I shouldn't have traded. Alright, good morning, people. It's currently April 2nd, Wednesday. Looking at JC. And yeah, okay, so we're gonna put rules again because yeah, obviously I was going out of control. And honestly, the issue with me was just that I was so focused on winning that I wasn't defending my capital at all. Pretty much two trades. If we lose two trades, we're locked out. If we take three trades, we're locked out. So we'll do that. This is the new system. I don't want to change this. This is how it's gonna be. I also impulsively bought another account. So I'm just a caring and passionate guy. What I learned honestly is just that you gotta focus on defending your profits actually. So these last 2 days compared to the days before were actually significantly more difficult to trade in, which made me realize that okay, there's gonna be days that are literally impossible for me to make money or like very difficult. How am I gonna defend my profit on those days? And when I thought about it, I'm like, okay, can't overtrade. We need a system defends us against overtrading. And like at first, I'm like, I'll do one loss and I'll be locked out. Okay, that's a little too brutal. Like on some days, I will walk away after one loss, but like that's still a little too much, you know? It depends how the loss happens. Like if the chart's doing some weird shit, then that might be a good reason to stop trading. Because we're so close to highs, I don't want to hop in this officially. But if I hopped in, I would do a scalp 1 to 1, 25 to 25. TB smashed. Okay, so now it's broken about this. Now it's a big deal. If you can get some type of, yeah, some type of structure now, small pullback or anything, honestly, then we could give it a go. Come on, give us a pullback round. This is a heavy rejection zone it just broke out of. Rejected here multiple times. Alright, hopped in sell. Might be getting a pullback. The pullback might hit me out, but that's the risk we're taking. It's first trade, still pretty solid. Yeah. See if we can hit that 1 to 4. You know what? I'll take the 400. I'll take it. And then if we get a proper pullback, I'll hop in again.
Order filled.
didn't really make anything today. Yeah, just weird. Not the best. Even MES, not the best. Had a good push from here, but like once we got up here, it was just nasty. So this week hasn't been the best. So I was being patient. I was waiting. And it turns out like the demo trades were, it's always the demo trades, bro. The demo trades just always hit, bro. I went for this, but then when I went for the scalp here, then it hits me out. It's like I'm always too late. But whatever. Can't be perfect. That's gonna be the end of this video. Be back tomorrow. Alright, good morning people. It's currently April 3rd, Thursday. And yeah, we're on GC. This stupid thing looks like it's dropping already. Like, what the hell just happened? So, yeah, we're gonna have to figure out what's going on. Seems like it's having a move before the freaking session. That's always annoying. Check the higher time frame. Clearly, we're on a downtrend. A crazy downtrend. Why did it drop so much? What happened? What was the news? Unemployment claims? I guess there wasn't as many. I don't even know. I need this thing to slow the fuck down, bro. Why is it dropping like that? I've never seen it drop like this. I guess I just got to see what this one looks the most like. I guess this one, right? Even still, we never dropped that much. By 8:30, it was already... Exactly, that's what I'm saying. By 8, it was consolidating. Yeah, I've never seen this before. It's probably going to consolidate. Interesting. I don't even know where we're going, to be honest with you guys. Just cleared some major lows. I guess this would be the next target. How much should we just drop even just this? 200 ticks. MGC. So there is a micro. There's a micro for gold. Oh shit. We can move to that. Dope. Alright. There we go. Well, we have an alternative now. When GC's high volume like this, we got MGC. Fuck it, let's go. Let's go. Ah, frickin' fracker. I'm trying to figure out what even happens, bro. I guess we have this kind of like, this like a range-ish. Sorta. And then this volume has become literally non-existent. I'm just gonna get out of that because this volume is just ridiculously low. These candles aren't safe. I don't feel safe with these candles. Alright, let's do it.
Order filled.
I meant 250. Where's 250? Damn, now the sell's done? No way, bro. Come on, we could drop a little bit lower than that. The fuck? That's it? Oh god, bro. Oh god.
Order filled.
This little thing on its own is almost 50 ticks. Insane. Alright, let's give it a go. Are you serious? Wow. Every day it's something different this week, bro. I'm just getting destroyed. Alright, good morning people. It's currently April 4th, Friday. And yeah, we are demo trading, going back to the roots because we need to reset the energy, reset the mindset, and go back to the basics. GC has been really weird these days, so that hasn't helped. Yeah, we're just gonna have to see what happens. Like, it's super high volume again, so realistically we're gonna do NGC. And yeah, we're gonna treat it like the challenge. We're gonna try and hit $3,000. I'm gonna be using the same lots. And once we do that, we can go back to the actual challenge. So we gotta pass it on this. Going off what I see on the 15 minutes, it just looks weird. Yeah, this just looks weird, I won't even lie. See how it reacts to this zone. If we're gonna hold the buy power, we should be pushing up soon. On the 1 hour, this just looks like some nasty range. Bro, price action is just terrible. See, this is the issue. I was trading this garbage. Alright. I'm actually kind of liking this, so we're going 50 buy. Alright. I don't know why the numbers are being weird. 50, bro. Holy fuck. 50, bro. Why is it so stupid? There we go. Alright. That's one loss for the day. We got 2 more trades. Alright, let's give this a go too. Let's go 1 to 2. Because it looks like it retested. Damn, it's already lost volume. What type of half-ass sell is that, bro? This is what I mean. See, I would have lost money today, guys. This is why I went back to demo. We lost again. See? Now I'm seeing it. Thank God we did not continue that challenge. These markets are not tradable right now. Now gold is gold. I can't even do gold anymore. Drops down. Pull back. You try to enter the sell. Nope. Hits you out. These tiny candles hit me out. Like, this volume's ridiculous. MES. Buy. Let's do it. Okay, these numbers are off. Hold on. I don't know why it keeps fucking up the numbers, bro. It's not what I entered on. So right now, what? We're negative like 750.